As midnight approaches and 2025 fades into memory, we stand together at the threshold of possibility. Whatever challenges we faced, whatever mistakes we made, whatever pain we carried, let them dissolve with the old year. We release the past with forgiveness in our hearts, for ourselves and for one another. To every soul across this beautiful planet, from the bustling cities to the quietest villages, from every continent and every culture, we extend compassion. Forgive us where we fell short. Forgive yourself for paths not taken. In this sacred moment, we choose grace over judgment, healing over hurt. As 2026 dawns, we welcome it with open arms and united spirits. May this year bring peace to troubled lands, hope to weary hearts, and light to darkened corners. May humanity discover deeper wisdom, greater kindness, and unshakable courage. Together we pray for healing, prosperity, and love to touch every life on Earth. Here at Forbidden Fathoms, we'll continue unveiling mysteries, seeking truths, and exploring the wonders that connect us all. Because the greatest mystery isn't what's hidden in ancient stones, it's the boundless potential within the human spirit. Happy 2026, fellow seekers. May your journey be extraordinary,